In the magical kingdom of Everlight, fairy tale characters lived just the way you've heard, in enchanted towers, glittering forests, and cozy cottages with chimneys that puffed out cotton candy clouds. But what kids didn't know was this. Every fairy tale character had a secret life skill that helped them succeed. Life skills no spell, wand, or magic potion could ever replace. One sunny morning, Queen Mother gathered the children of Everlight in the castle courtyard. "My dear children," she announced, her gown shimmering like morning dew, "it is time you learn the secret life skills of your favorite heroes, so you can be heroes, too." The children gasped. "Heroes? Like them?" Queen Mother smiled. "Yes, you already have the magic inside you." And so, the lessons began. Cinderella's secret skill, kindness that changes the world. Cinderella floated in gracefully, her glass slippers sparkling like stars. Everyone thought her magic came from her fairy godmother, but Cinderella shook her head gently. "My real superpower," she said, "was kindness, even when life felt unfair." She told the children how she stayed gentle, patient, and hopeful, how kindness won her friends, helped her helpers, and even softened hearts that had been cold as winter. "Kindness," Cinderella said, "is stronger than any spell. It brings help, hope, and happiness." The children hugged each other tightly. Kindness felt like magic already. Wolf faced the big bad wolf's secret skill, listening and learning. Everyone gasped when the big bad wolf tiptoed into the courtyard, paws tucked nervously. "I'm different now," he said. "I learned the hard way that listening keeps you from making big mistakes." He explained how he never listened to the three little pigs' warnings, and that ended with him falling in the pot, splosh. Now he listens first, acts second, and thinks always. "Listening," he said, "helps you learn, stay safe, and treat others kindly." The kids nodded so hard their hats fell off. #Rapunzel's secret skill, creativity makes life brighter. Rapunzel twirled her long golden hair and laughed. "When I was stuck in the tower, I didn't just wait. I created things, paintings, inventions, songs." Her creativity kept her hopeful, busy, and strong. Whenever life feels boring or tough, she told the kids, your creativity can turn it into something beautiful. A little girl whispered, "I'm going to draw every day now." Barefaced Goldilocks' secret skill, making good choices. Goldilocks hopped forward with a small bowl of porridge. This time she asked permission. "My lesson," she said, "was learning to make good choices." She explained how she learned to think before acting, respect others' things, and find what was just right, not too much or too little. "Good decisions," she said, "keep you safe, kind, and responsible." Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.